Here you go again. Yeah. Greedy as hell, I want it all. Whatever you don't eat, nigga, I gladly take it home for dinner. Good guys finish last, so I'm bad, and these doors give me ass, cause everybody loves a winner. I don't know how to be the best, I just try hard. Something beautiful God made, the coca more. Shinier than your $1,000 wristwatch. Type of nigga won't get caught up running out your bitch spot. No talking about they get back to their money, man. You try to walk in, better hop up on their money train. I'm trying to get it, and these niggas, they don't understand. I need the bread like 3 ways, need 2 lesbians. I'm full-time hustling, a jack of all trades, is a master of nothing. And Jesus run with niggas that were jacking and buzzing. Can't blame him for his friends, he had to be loyal to something. At 300 Spartans, I'm a full-time soldier. Sparkle like a G, I'm hater-free with clean shoulders. Keep me a fluffer, on call with a beeper. She might be a dyke, cause she love blowing Keisha. She might be a height if she would listen what I preach. Hell, I might get her some pipe and she start following procedure. Rehabilitating from the things that I teach her. Foolish thinking she don't need me, fuck it. I don't need her neither. Nah. And I'm gone like the wind. Pop my black ass in $100,000 beans. I keep the spins, wonder when you see me again. I live on the edge, but I'm never ever fall in. I feel like I'm in love for the first time. Feel like I'm in love for the first time. You can get you a slice, but shit, it's all mine. Feel like I'm in love for the first time. Feel like I'm in love for the first time.
Welcome YouTube, welcome Zoom family, welcome everybody. How you feeling? Good morning. Welcome. Welcome. Thank you. We got Sir Chart a lot in the building with us. We're looking at a few charts this morning. Wake up, everybody. Wake up. Wake up. We're looking at some charts right now. This is the U.S. session. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button, people. Appreciate you for joining us. All right. As usual, it is the U.S. session, so we're looking at some U.S. pairs. FinViz right now has the euro as uber duper strong from last night. Some of y'all may know that the euro is strong, and the Aussie is super weak. Okay, so overnight we were here looking at some of this stuff, and then right when we got offline, prices went crazy. Was looking for the euro CAD to come back here while we were on our Zoom, but it obviously looks like to heck with it. Excuse me. Maybe if it comes back. Also looking at this New Zealand CAD zone. See if this New Zealand CAD might give us 2 or 3 pips. The euro again is strong. If you guys look at the euro, it is going crazy. Gotta wait for a retracement of some kind or find something else to trade. Okay. In the Swiss yen, we got higher lows. So we might get a 250 to 500 pop in the Swiss yen. Even though the yen has bossed up, we might have hit some demand here. See this drop base rally, people?
Yeah, I see it.
I said people. We're live now. This is not Zoom, BJ. Good morning to BJ. Shout out to the Pip Getterz. Shout out to Sir Chart a lot. The Pip Getterz in the building. We are in the building. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and wake up. Okay. Also, as I was saying, the Swiss yen might do a higher low outside. Coming off of this demand zone, we might got a higher low, higher high, higher low, high. Might get one more candle before we hit the supply zone. Not sure about it though, but we're gonna look at it. Even though the trend is down, you might catch you a good little that way. Or are we asking for tier merch? What's this, 250? I wouldn't move before this zone right here. I'm not looking at this. This has to come down to a 250 area, former supply zone. There. Maybe a little 3-minute scuba dip. But we'll see what happens between now and session. Not bad little rally, base rally. Candle broke the demand zone, supply zones to the left. Okay, we got supply zone, we broke here. So price makes it down here this morning. We might catch a little long there. We'll keep an eye on. Hit the like button and subscribe button, people. Let's see. Zoom family, how are y'all doing? Good morning. A lot of people in Pip Getterz world are night traders. So I'm doing this for the few people that are still morning traders. Sir Charter-Lot and myself. Pound New Zealand might also get buck wild at 8 o'clock as well, because this candle's looking very bullish and it just might continue on at 8 o'clock. From here to keep, like it just hit a demand zone and it wants to keep going. Somewhere around in here, maybe we'll get a little bounce in 94 even. Or maybe it'll just blow 250. Maybe this wick over wick right here. Just looking at a few pairs, people. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box. We are here for all of that. Let's look at a 20-minute. We don't have any news this morning either. We don't have any news. Nope. So we should be A-okay as far as getting hit in the head. But I do like New Zealand CAD might have hit some supply, so I want to see how this candle closes. I think it's going to pop back up and then, or is this New Zealand finna get weak? Pound CAD, where's that at? I believe these CAD pairs might just keep going. We'll see how the candle closes out. 7 o'clock candle. Really, pound dollar just snuck what I said. Hang it, Sir Charter-Lot. Not paying attention. Came down here. Drew this a few minutes ago in the Zoom class. I didn't even see it come down here. What was we doing? I like this zone. It was a 750 zone on the pound dollar. I just like the way this candle broke everything to the left, and I was gonna buy it right here. Price came here and I wasn't even paying attention. Happened that quick. How long ago I talked about this pound dollar? Like 15 minutes? Just happened.
It happened instantly.
I thought it was going to base right here and then come down here later, but it didn't. It's gone. Maybe we'll get a double tap. Again, pound CAD. New Zealand CAD might do a shuffle buck in here. Swiss yen. I don't want it to stop here. I want it to come down just like the pound dollar did. I'm gonna put an alert on this one. What you think, BJ? What you looking at? Well, now BJ can shed some light on us.
I like that squishy yen.
Like, what else you like? What you looking at? You personally?
Looking at these yen longs, and I just need them to retrace. They're on the supply now, so I'm looking at the euro yen right now.
Let's give it a look. See, there's a very bullish candle out of here.
Yeah.
It looks like it want to break some supply. Yeah, it might just have to retrace just a smidgen. I do like the long, being that the euro's already strong. And if it blows the supply zone, it'll probably retrace back to 5. Keep going. You gotta see how this candle glow, because this booger is still up there. But I believe it could.
Yeah, I like it to pop down in the 5 and then break that moving average and sit above it and keep going once it gets above it. I think it's going to break that 30. Yeah. Didn't we have that pound cat at 250 as well?
Yeah, it didn't come back. It kept going. It kept going.
$7.15.
Supposed to be a beautiful day outside this week, today. If anybody didn't know. Supposed to be a little sunny later on.
65.
So, yeah, a little bit. Supposed to be. Supposedly. Supposed to be getting a little warmer today. I'm not used to the cold anymore at all. So sorry, people. Like, isn't he from New York? Like, so what? This is not a bad zone. This little area right here that blew this low. That is not a bad idea. Yeah, these yens might look longy. Like the 8 o'clock candle that it might, because it broke the supply, the 8 o'clock candle might do a 750 to. The yens might pop up at 8 o'clock just for a taste. The euro yen is probably the best bet. Actually, let me erase this CAD because it's one of the weakest pairs. Even though it's probably time for it to get a little nifty. I like this New Zealand CAD, just higher highs, bang, bang. And this high right here broke this high and this high. And no wick at the back and blew through all your supply right here. Kind of like this journey. If it gets down here, come on down. You're the next contestant on The Price is Right. Yeah, we're going to wait for those to get that. Patience, folks, is the key. Patience. What's this, the New Zealand dollar? Let's have a looky at that. do have a nudge here. Might have a half a candle close situation. I do, but I don't. So I highs. I like it, but then I don't like it. Ooh, this is what I like. It's my action. This little rally base rally right here. Little former supply zone. This little area here looks very important. It's an important place. Oh, you be bought here sometimes, huh? You be bought. It bees bought here a lot. It bees bought. The New Zealand dollar might bees bought. Right, chum. Might bees bought. Might bees a buy. See before we get all 15 is above it. That 30. Ain't the best. Did it before. That thing that came around his neck right here, like, no, sir. This is what I want to see. I don't like that hover around the neck piece. See, ain't no hovering around the neck over here in the New Zealand CAD. See, ain't no neck hovering. You're all on my back, cuz. I don't like that. This looks more supportive. Euro. Ooh, boy, what is the Euro yen doing? Come on, man. You couldn't come back. So the yen pairs are going to leave from the first zone. You son of. So they not trying to come back. Which probably means the next candle is going to be bullish anyway. It's just the next candle is going to... I can't say that for sure. Maybe the next candle comes back down. No rushy. Damn, for real? So the yens hit demand zones. Let's see if we can get a ride. We just probably end up going long on the 8 o'clock on these yen pairs.
Yeah, that New Zealand yen was the one. Fell into 86 at the school.
Thanks for telling us after the fact, BJ.
Right.
Thank you. We love you for that. Thank you for telling us now. $86 even, that wasn't bad. Not falling for it. Patience. Patience, people. This pound dollar, I did have that though. Took my eye off that sucker. God. 1 second. But 1 second, I took my eye off. That's 25 pips already.
There is.
Da, 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 da. New Zealand dollar still, it got that little hang on us now. I don't like it. Pound New Zealand. I like these for continuation longs though at 8 o'clock. For real euro yen, you can't just come back a little bit. Oh. The 8 o'clock candle might go off right from 7:50. But we gotta wait till 8 o'clock anyway, so 10 minutes. EuroCAD never came back. This was the first zone I saw. Never. I was just thinking about the CAD pairs because of the U.S. session.
Yeah.
Looks like a couple of yen longs. That's what it looks like so far, and maybe some CAD long. Euro pound may drop a little bit. It is supplies. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, folks. Appreciate you. Thank you very much. From the Pip Getterz. Hopefully the market doesn't do any foolery. So hit the subscribe and like button. Hit the subscribe and like button.
No, see here. Come back and see us.
The pound dollar did us dirty. A little bit. Came all the way down and touched. I didn't put no alert on it, so.
And the euros popped out there at 7. All of them left in unison. See here.
Said what? Excuse me, said what?
Looking at this euro pound. Come on, New Zealand CAD, don't start this foolishness. Don't you dare. They're there.
It might play though. It might do a little. You know how it is. Market gets it. Gets this little play on. Redo this year again because it went off. Yeah, it's like some yen. This New Zealand CAD, maybe this New Zealand dollar. I just don't like this, but it came off of something. And it beats bought right here a lot. I like New Zealand dollar, New Zealand CAD. They don't want to show a young brother love. Dollar's a hater. At this pound Swiss too, man. I should have put alerts on these. Still like this pound Swiss. Real. No words on anything, Sir Chart a lot? Are you charting a lot over there? Swiss yen might not come back. Yen pair said, I'm out of here. These yen pairs are still in downtrends, but I think we might get a smidgen of love. See what the US 30 is doing. $30.30. Oh, it had a bearish night. The $30.30.
These yens might come back and get us, bro.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Get a clock.
Gold has a nice little zone right here.
Good old gold.
I like that gold zone.
I was supposed to be going up too.
Let's go look back. Okay, New Zealand CAD look like it finna hit. It finna hit, y'all. Yen is like, we out. Euro CAD's gone. Pound CAD's gone. Swiss yen is out of here. Let's see what this New Zealand CAD finna do. See if the market tries to bang our heads off. You know, the market's like, those that don't know, the market's like the Death Star. The market comes out of nowhere and just, it's like the Independence Day UFO or something. Where's the New Zealand dollar at? Most in the same place. Ah, that 15. Can't trust. This is pound Aussie gone. But they don't hold no slack. None.
Come on.
No retracing at all. I like this euro dollar for long. Got to retrace a little bit, but I like it. Glue this thing right. Retraces down in here. I like that. Eight o'clock. They out of here. No retracing. Like, y'all. Hold on. Aussie dollar. It wasn't bad. This is not to go long, people. This is a target. Don't do it. Does have high odds though, but that Aussie's just way too weak.
Yep.
But that was a decent short though. You ain't see that one?
New Zealand is weak too.
I was saying the Aussie. You ain't see it? It was a nice little. What's this? Zealand, I like the structure, but New Zealand's getting weak. Mm, 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 mm. Oh boy. What else did I have hitting alert? Oh, oh. It done curved around. Recognizes game a little bit. See how much game does it recognize? Recognize, fool. Or is it gonna be like forget you and just hit me with the bang? I like this New Zealand dollar too. The yen pairs don't want to retrace. Well, not at the moment. We'll give them some time though. It's not over yet. Give them some time to come back in here. About to hit a high. About to hit a quarter. Let it come back. Might not like this zone because that 15. 30 still was thugging. We'll see. We'll learn something today.
Yeah, they just both weak.
Now the New Zealand's stronger than the CAD.
Barely.
On relative strength?
Yeah, take a look at it.
From last night?
The CAD is weak from last night. The New Zealand was strong, but it was the weakest of the strong pairs.
But it's still stronger than the CAD, bro. Correct? It might thug up out of there. We look at it because I didn't look at it this morning. Be wrong. Because that's what I was going off of, the CAD being weak like that.
Yeah, it's definitely weak.
Let's see. Yeah, New Zealand got a little bit of buck into it. Got a little bit more than the CAD does. New Zealand got more buck in it. It's got more, as I would say, it got more. At this point, you just gotta let it play out. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, people. See what the New Zealand. There you go. Rocking, just thugging a little bit. I missed that pound dollar. That's what I'm mad at because I saw that first. Let's see what you do. Let's go look at some other stuff. New Zealand dollars coming out this zone too. They both are actually. Go ahead, New Zealand dollar. That was the alert that went off too. You had that buy that like right where it was at.
Yeah.
Or maybe it'll come back in there. New Zealand CAD is busting a little bit. I don't think I'm gonna put the target all the way up here. I'm probably just gonna put the target 3 to 750, about 3 to 1. From 500 to 750 shouldn't be bad. See if we can get to 750. Hit that like button, folks. Hit the subscribe button. Let's see if we can look at something else. What is this? The yen pairs doing? Are they still going up? God dang it, Swiss. Knew that was going to do that. I couldn't come back and get it, brother. I still like this pound New Zealand long. So I think New Zealand's probably going to maybe hopefully strengthen up enough to get this down. And get give us a few pips out the New Zealand dollar, the New Zealand CAD or something. This looks like it's all yen pairs this morning.
Yeah, that's what I keep going back to.
Looking at these CADs, but they don't look, they look shorty. At least this pound CAD does. New Zealand CAD is fighting. Guess you just gotta let that rock out. This is a leave the computer on and let the trade work out while we bounce. That trade, this trade will just work. Eventually, hopefully.
What do you think about this CAD yen long?
It's gonna hit this and come back. You don't see this wick over wick at
Yeah, that's what I was looking at.
You said long or short? You said long, so that's what I was
I
thinking.
did say long. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but let it come back though. I think these yens might be 11 o'clock plays. Because this right here, you gotta wait for that to come off of this. It's pushing down already. It's fighting right now. Maybe, you know, it's such a downtrend that you want to buy that yet.
Yeah.
You want to buy something that has a potential to go up. Just some of this, we missed the up and some of it's going sideways right now. We're just trying to catch a little sideways action. See how this hangover is messing with this New Zealand dollar? I mean, it's not over, but we got a little sideways action. You're just trying to get from here back to the top, maybe. Call it a day. Something that has potential to go up. Like these euros with retarded. These yens, I think, will have to retrace from where they at a little bit and then go long. All of them. See how they look? Some of them even look like shorts.
It's the Aussie dollar.
This pound yen. Yeah, this look almost like a short at 500. This might pop up and drop a little bit. Got enough with it. Let's look at it in the daily. Yeah, this could fall. Just this holding it up, but this could drop. This pound yen could drop right now. You had to get in like around this little area. Maybe it might retest this 500 area. Let a couple people sneak in. Maybe it might get to that wick over wick or something. This is a little area of supply and demand right here. Structured area right there. Come back down. Them yen pairs was pump fake. Right when you think you're gonna miss them and they leaving you, they gotta come back. Price could come back past this and come right back in here. The market will pump fake you and catch you slipping. Give you one of them moves. Mark G, what's up? Yeah, it's a slow morning, Mark. I'm glad you see that. I just learning that. I need you back on the Zoom though, Mark, so we can get you I need to hear your voice. I need to hear all of your voices, really. I haven't heard y'all voices in a long time. But Mark, good morning. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy holidays to you, sir. It is a slow morning. Last night was a little faster. This morning is a little slow. A little bit. Because all the move happened last night. They're taking a break. Ooh, that pound Aussie dropping. So what's my New Zealand? Yeah, New Zealand CAD is tripping. Yeah. Oh, you're mute. What's that, the Aussie? Yeah, that Aussie was a nice little short. I ain't see that. I did not see that little pop right there.
Yeah, that's what I was just saying. But man, that's it.
And that's all the way at the bottom. Like I didn't even make it down there.
I'm at the bottom working my way up and got up to it like, wow.
Oh, it's at the top of yours.
Mm-hmm. But I started at the bottom with the dollar pairs.
Yeah, the New Zealand CAD and it's not looking. That cuff didn't push it back up. We didn't get no pushback.
Mm-hmm.
It's not failing us. That pound dollar was my baby this morning, my little quick little 25 pips. Yeah, I'm not feeling this New Zealand CAD deal. I ain't love it. New Zealand dollar, I was like, yeah, that looked, but I figured that this might have a little bit of nudge in it. No, not even a little bit.
Even a little bit.
It tried. I mean, it's not even 8 pips, so see what it does. Still ain't over either. It just now hit 504 and change. I wonder what it'll do from right here. Probably stop us out. Yeah, Mark, it's a slow morning, Mark, but we're glad you're here, though. Thank you for showing up. It's more shorts this morning than long.
It is. That's what it is.
Ooh, snap. It's like, forget you, New Zealand. Yeah.
I'm gonna pour me another cup of this wake up juice. Back in a jiffy.
Not Jiffy. All the dollar just went crazy just now, huh? Dollar just said, bump that. New Zealand's is like, bump that. Hit the like button, folks. Subscribe button. It's that pound. The pound dollar came back down. U.S. is going up. Maybe next time I'll get up a little earlier. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, folks. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. The dollar got strong real quick.
Like dollar got real quick, bro.
Like it was news or something.
Yeah, and it's nothing.
Like it was some news in the building.
No freaking news.
The New Zealand CAD is just holding above the stop loss. Like it just barely missed it. Like I don't know if it's gonna come out of there though.
8 o'clock though, we know what it is. Them 8 o'clock candles, they do what they do.
Yeah, it was some shorts though. I just don't like going short. I'd rather not do nothing.
Yeah, shoot, the U.S. yen all of a sudden just bossed all the way up. But, you know, I see where it's coming from though.
New Zealand CAD's like, go to hell. Go to hell. Let's see if it comes out of it. Went to the very low of the zone. That's some watching your trade and getting in at the last possible second. The last possible second, so that you don't, your entry just becomes a little bit better. Like I would leave this and get off the computer right now. Just let it do what it's doing. Unless somebody wants to look at something else. Because it's coming out of the zone now. I don't know how far out the zone is going. It's coming out a little bit.
Mm-hmm. That U.S. Swiss will make you mad.
You gotta let it make you mad. Let's see what this New Zealand CAD finna do. Again, folks, it is the U.S. session, so we're trading some CAD pairs. This New Zealand CAD's being abusive. Mark G was right though. It ain't. I guess Mark probably gets up a little earlier too. Mark, it might speed up later. Sometimes you know that after 10, after 11 moves too. It's just patience. It depends on what you're trading too. The CAD pairs move and the US pairs move around this time every morning though. Even if they do move later, they try to, but it's not like it usually is. Mike is in the building. Mike, what's up, sir? Mike finally got in the building. You can unmute yourself, Mike, I guess, if you know how to. Or you might be busy. You don't have to, but you welcome. Glad you got up in here, Mike. If you can hear me, I think you can. You should be able to. We're watching this New Zealand CAD try to act a fool. Let's see what the dollar got strong, so New Zealand dollar is probably getting his head bust. Yeah. That's why I ain't like that as much as this New Zealand CAD. I figured the dollar was going to do something strange. I preferred this New Zealand CAD over the New Zealand dollar. Just my preference. I'll probably just leave the computer on and end the Zoom. Just leave the live on. Did you get anything, BJ?
No, it was just too late. I'm just gonna wait.
Yeah, because at 11 o'clock we right sometime, and it gives you some focus too, because we are on live. It's difficult to do this and be on live at the same time, folks. Just to let y'all know, you're performing in front of the world, so it's not as easy as people think. Mike, can you hear me? Let me know. You can type in there, Mike, too, and let me know if you can hear me. Type in the chat.
You know, and then you're looking at the residuals from the runs last night.
Right. It's not bad. I got in the New Zealand CAD. Didn't put a lot on it, but I'm in it. I don't know if people can see my cam, but I'm in the New Zealand CAD. If y'all can see it. I don't like being on live and trading at the same time. My entry was a lot lower than the original one. My entry was down in here. Sometimes I'll do that. Let price come all the way into the zone, and then I'll get in the trade. That feel. All right, I moved my stop loss. It's either is or ain't. It either tis or it ain't. It's gonna go to, what is it? If it gets to 750, that's cool. I'll take that. Move my stop loss. All right. We should maybe start the live at 8:30 to give us a bit more time to get in the trade. The Zoom starts early, brother. You gotta come in the Zoom. Oh, okay. I got you.
Yeah, that was
you. That was you. Okay. But that's still late though. I don't know.
I'm just saying in terms of, then we would have already been in a couple of these.
Oh, okay. We'd be in it and then go live.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
All right, got you. All right, cool. That makes sense. To heck with the people. We gotta eat. The Zoom people, the Pip Getterz, we gotta eat. Forget y'all. I'm joking.
No, I love everybody. You know what I'm saying? There's somebody looking at us already in the trade.
Yeah. You right. They probably got it. What's good? Oh, okay. There you go. Now we hear you. Now we hear you.
I'm here, brother.
What's going on? You finally pressed the right button?
I got the right button, bro. Yes, sir. I got the right buttons pressed, bro.
You finally pressed the right button. Well, they hear you live on YouTube. One of my mentors, Money Mitch, the prayer warrior. Sir. You need prayer warriors on the team. You need old faithfuls on the team. You need some people that got some wisdom, some knowledge, and understanding on the team. Definitely. Welcome, Mitch. Welcome.
12 o'clock. We got a 12 o'clock prayer call today. I got your pops. I got them.
I thank you, sir. My pops, folks. That's what part of the reason why we've been going to is my dad just going through surgeries, stuff like that. My dad's been my best friend for a long time, so So I get emotional. So it's hard to be who you have to be to other people when you're still a human being yourself.
Superman to me, brother.
Never. Uni-Man. I'm Ant-Man. But thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate your spirit. I appreciate y'all's love. Definitely, Mark. But whoever's in the building, I appreciate y'all. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. And Mitch, we're going to try to do this every day, twice a day, like in the evening, in the morning too. Try to be a little more faithful to it. We're going to change some hours maybe around or how we do it so that people can get into trades before we go live. Because what I've noticed is, and we've seen it before, but what I noticed really now is because we've been trading and not been on live in a while, I'm noticing that the live is keeping us. So maybe we'll start the live a little later or start the Zoom early. I don't know, but we'll figure it out and we'll let the world know.
Amen.
Definitely. I appreciate you though being here, man. We're probably going to end the Zoom in the next 2 or 3 minutes. And just let the trade play itself out. But thank you so we can go trade. But I thank you for joining us though.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
I'll be here at 7 in the evening. I have to take the kids to school in the morning, so that's why I was kind of tardy.
Well, you did tell me the evening's better for you, but I sent it to you anyway. You feel me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sent it to you anyway, just in case. You never know.
Yeah. I can just have it in my ear on my phone. So.
All right, that'll work. Now I could everybody's sound, I have it right now because before I didn't have the headset and how to do everything right. So now I went and studied. I went to YouTube college and studied how to do it. So now I know how to do it. So now you loud and clear. Everybody can hear you and YouTube, and it's not muffled. So we good. All right. Thank you though. I appreciate it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell the missus I said hello. Tell the family I said hello too as well.
I sure will.
Definitely. The one and only Money Mitch, everybody. Thank you. All right, YouTube. Mitch, I'll see you this evening. I'll talk to you this evening.
Okay.
Me and Sir Charter-Lot, we about to get to it probably on a trading private note. So we'll see YouTube. I'll see you guys on YouTube later. So we're gonna end the Zoom and I'll see you this evening and let this trade work out. Cool beans?
Sound like a plan.
All right, brother. We out of here. Y'all have a good one, YouTube. Let the trade work out, and we see y'all when we get back.